A windy day in spring. Warm wind welcomes early spring. Warm wind makes the bluebirds sing. Warm wind rushes through the trees. Warm wind stirs the bumblebees. Warm wind blows a butterfly. Warm wind lifts a kite up high. Warm wind turns a weather vane. Warm wind waves a pony's mane. Warm wind makes the wind chimes ring. Warm wind helps a hammock swing. Warm wind steals a farmer's hat. Warm wind pets a tabby cat. Warm wind spins a blue pinwheel. Warm wind makes a seagull squeal. Warm wind pushes waves around. Warm wind blows a castle down. Warm wind fills a bright red sail. Warm wind tickles a big blue whale. Warm wind lifts an eagle's wings. Warm wind does so many things. Wind can make a bluebird sing. Warm wind welcomes spring.